Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to show you a strategy that could turn $1,000 to $50,000. I would suggest that you watch this video to the end because there is a powerful information that you can't afford to miss. The strategy that I am going to use in this video is not my strategy. I saw this strategy on YouTube. This is the strategy. Shout out to this guy, Trade and Get Paid. As you can see, he used this strategy to make his first $50,000. And if you scroll down to the comment section, you would see that there were lots of good comments about this strategy. As you can see, this guy said he has studied the charts and tested this strategy and it has worked for him. And also, he said the strategy was life-changing. In this video, I am going to backtest this strategy and see if it actually works. If you can make up to $50,000 with this simple strategy. Now let me summarize the strategy for you. Basically, what he was saying in that video is that he used two indicators. The Bollinger Band and the moving average would be set to a length of 9. So these are the two indicators he used in that video. And how he made profit was that when the price goes below the lower band and suddenly shoots back into this lower band, this is where he's going to enter his trade and take his profit when the price touches this green moving average. So that's exactly what he does. Now that I have explained exactly what he was saying, what I will do right now is to go over to Moodrex and create this strategy from scratch. And I am going to show you exactly the performance of this strategy. This is what we are going to use in this video to create this strategy. The first thing I would have to do right now is to bring out some blocks. I'm going to use two of these blocks. One of them is to buy and the second one is to sell. Now let's continue. The first thing I would do right now is to search for price. Click on this. The next step is to search for Bollinger Bands. I would go ahead and change this to lower bands. In that video, he used the lower band. Now this is exactly what I did. When the price starts to close candles above this lower band, then we are going to buy. That is when we are going to place a buy order. I'll go ahead and click on OK, and I'm going to move this to the buy command. Alright, that is the first step. Now the second step is to create a sell action. We are also going to use price. The next indicator is to use the moving average. Click on this right here. I would have to change the parameters. In that video, he used the 9-length moving average right there. Basically, what I did right now is when the price starts to close candles above the moving average, that is when I am going to place a sell order. Click OK and connect this to the sell section. Right now, we've successfully created this strategy from scratch, and I would go ahead and backtest this strategy. Let me change some few things here. In this video, we are going to do a backtest on Ethereum, and let's select a time frame of 30 minutes. This is exactly the time frame that was used in that video. Now that I have gotten everything set up right here, I would go ahead and backtest this strategy. Start. You would see that this is processing, and right now we are going to know if this actually works, if you actually made $50,000 with this strategy. This is going to be crazy because if this works, then we can buy a lot of Lambos. We are going to fly private jets and make a lot of money just using this strategy. Now we have to just wait for the results. As you can see, it's still calculating. And right now, oh my God, right now this is the result of this strategy. As you can see, oh my God, the monthly average returns is minus 46%. The loss making month is 100%, and the performance score is 1. Oh my God, I'm starting to think that this guy didn't really make his first $50,000. Maybe he actually lost his first $50,000 using this strategy, because this right here is just awful. This is really bad. Let's view more information about this strategy. And let's click right here. You can see right here that this strategy was backtested from the 25th of February 2020 to the current date of 25th of August 2021. I'm just seeing this right here that this strategy got you liquidated. Like I said, I think that this strategy actually made him lose his first $50,000. I didn't really think he actually made any money from this strategy. Let's scroll down. Oh my God, this is absolute nonsense. This strategy is absolute trash. As you can see that the overall returns with this strategy, it is minus 99.99%. That means you actually got liquidated using this strategy. You will look closely that the market returns of ETH during that period was 571%. There were over 5,000 trades done with this strategy, and this right here doesn't look good at all. Let's scroll down. This is the worst strategy I have ever seen. As you can see, 5,000 trades done with this strategy, and at this point, at 19th of March 2021, it would have gotten liquidated. The reason why I am making this video is not to talk down on anyone. This video is to serve as a reminder that not all the strategies you see on YouTube actually works perfectly. If you see any strategy, you should carefully backtest this strategy before using it in your trades. You should not just jump into any conclusion. You need to test this yourself. That's why any content I post on my channel, I always say it is not financial advice. Always do your own research, always backtest the strategy. It may work for some people, it may not work for other people. So I truly hope you enjoyed this kind of content, and if you did, you can please leave a thumbs up and try to subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot, and I would really appreciate it if you do. This is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.